What's the meaning of avant dash? Avant. Avant.
Avant. Avant. Avant dash is a prefix that originates from French and means before or in front of. It is commonly used in English to suggest something innovative, experimental, or ahead of its time. The addition of avant dash to a word implies a certain degree of progressiveness or forward thinking. For example, avant-garde describes artistic movements that are experimental or revolutionary. In fashion, avant fashion denotes cutting-edge design that challenges traditional norms. Overall, the use of avant dash signifies a departure from convention and an embrace of new, sometimes unconventional ideas.